Hello guys, Shovik here. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video I'm going to talk about deadweight loss in taxation. So that is a very important topic in economics. So those who were into economics field and or economics background or not in economics, so they are pretty much aware of this deadweight loss. So for everyone, I'm going to start my video. So what is deadweight loss? So deadweight loss, it's a cost to society which is created by market inefficiency. So it basically occurs when supply and demand are out of equilibrium, right? Now mainly used in terms of economics. So it can be applied to any efficiency, right, which is caused by an inefficient allocation of resources. Price ceilings such as price controls and rent controls, price floors such as minimum wage and living wage laws, and taxation can all potentially create deadweight losses, right? So talking about the deadweight loss in taxation, so how we can define it? So suppose for example, I'm having a company called ABC Burger, and now I am selling burger at $1, say. Now what happens? Suddenly I'm getting I'm getting a good amount of money every day because 700 of burger is getting sold every day on average. Now I'm getting 700 multiplied by $1, say. So I'm getting $700 a day. Now government is saying that I'm earning profit out of it and I'm getting good amount of sale every day. Now government, in order to make some profit, it is imposing some tax, right? Suppose $0.5 government is imposing tax on my product. Now my product price is becoming $1.5, right? Now in this $1.5, when the price goes up, then there is a natural tendency in the consumer that to have lesser consumption, because if we know, like from the supply demand curve, right, and also like when price increases, the consumption get decreased. So in this case the consumption get decreased. Now what happens, that government is earning some profit out of it, definitely, because instead of 700 burger getting sold every day, it is 500 burger getting sold now. So 200 burger is kind of loss to the company, right? Now what is happening as outcome? Government is earning profit for the 500 burger multiplied by 0.5 equal to $250, but it is affecting the consumption in the market. So this loss is going to nowhere. So it is neither getting a benefit to the producer, neither getting the benefit to the consumer, but government is earning some profit out of it, but it is creating inequilibrium in the market. Now if you can see the diagram, so here I'm not sure whether you are able to see my cursor, but I'm trying to draw here, that if you see this one, this is the supply curve, right? This one. Okay, let me choose a different ink. Okay, so this one is the supply curve, right? And now this one is the demand curve. We are all aware of it. Now what is happening, like we all know, this is the equilibrium. This is the free market equilibrium, where the number of goods are produced or number of goods are getting consumed, both are equal, right? So now in this region we call it as consumer surplus, right? The benefit to the consumer. Now in this region we call it as producer surplus. Now in this equilibrium scenario, the consumer surplus and producer surplus are having this much area, right? I'm sorry for the lines, it is very much distorted. Anyway, I'm trying to explain you guys that whenever government is imposing tax, then the equilibrium is getting shifted from here to somewhere here. As you can see, I'm just taking a different color. Let me take blue. Okay, so this is the region where the consumption and production got shifted, right? Because consumption is getting lowered. Now if we compare to the earlier stage, there is a region which is getting formed due to this tax. This is the delta. If you can see, this delta region, we call it as deadweight loss. So this region is neither benefited to the company which is selling the product, nor it's benefited to the consumer who are consuming the product. So it is directly a loss from the stability of the market or the equilibrium. So this is what we call as deadweight loss. I hope this is all for today. So I hope you have you like the video, and I wish I will create much more videos on economics so that you guys can better understand on some of the topics. And please let me know in the comment section if you want any clarification on some topics. And for today, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.